Hey, what is the difference between a general power of attorney and a limited power of attorney? Or a general power of appointment, limited power of appointment? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I'm a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer, and today I'd like to explain that to you. Why? Received a bunch of questions regarding this recently. So a general power of attorney or a general durable power of attorney is where you have the principal, the person who's making the power of attorney, say Guy DiMartino, in a document giving the power to act on my behalf to somebody else who is the agent or the attorney in fact. Now, a general or durable power of attorney usually gives a whole bunch of powers. The power to do banking, the power to sell real estate, the power to contract, the power to do estate planning, the power to deal with insurance contracts, the power to gift, the power to do a whole bunch of stuff. So it's general. On the other hand, a limited power of attorney just gives the attorney in fact or the agent a limited power, usually to do one specific task. I typically see this in real estate transactions and automobile transactions. Let me explain to you how it happened in a real estate transaction. I was here in Indiana. My wife was in Florida. We were closing on another piece of property here in Indiana. She didn't want to come up to Indiana for the closing. I was going to the closing, but she wanted to sign the documents because she was a co-owner of the property and she didn't want a problem with the deed with me just being on the deed. So what she did was she gave me a limited power of attorney just to handle the real estate transaction. Once the real estate transaction is over, power of attorney is extinguished. More commonly, we see this also in automobile transactions. Typically, when somebody's vehicle is totaled. Received 3 calls this week regarding this. Somebody's vehicle was totaled. The insurance company is going to pay them or pay the mortgage or lien holder for the total loss. But in order to get the title changed over, somebody has to be able to do that. And typically the owner of the vehicle, especially if there are still payments that need to be made on the vehicle, doesn't have the actual title to like sign it and give it to the insurance company. So they have to give the insurance company power of attorney limited so they can deal with the Department of Motor Vehicle, the Bureau of Motor Vehicle, in order to get the title work so the vehicle can be salvaged. Typically, it'll say this is a limited power of attorney. I, Guy DiMartino, give a limited power of attorney to ABC Insurance Company to handle the transaction regarding my 2020 Toyota, VIN number, blah, 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 and it's signed, dated, and notarized. Now, some folks are worried about if they give the insurance company this power that they can go ahead and do some other transactions. But they can't because this is a limited power of attorney. It set out the reason for the power of attorney, and it says for a 2020 Toyota, VIN number ABCD. It's only good for that transaction. So there you have it. General power of attorney can pretty much do anything on your behalf that is stated within the document. Limited power of attorney for a specific purpose. Once that purpose is done, no more power of attorney. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.